In this video, we will use the toolbox BOM and toolbox WRL features to create reports in the design to manufacturing software. The tool has the capability to save and load previously configured settings. Here we will start with the defaults. The BOM selection offers the ability to create a BOM for different selection options. Choosing project will create one main BOM report. As well as on sheet generation, the tool has the ability to export to Microsoft Excel. A symbol class and report symbol is configurable to customize the font type and style of the output. Once configured, the Place BOM button will allow the user to place the header to the report and begin report generation. For each line item on the report, a number will be generated, and a balloon for the component will be added to the 2D panel view. Using the Toolbox Wire Run List feature is similar to the Toolbox BOM. Starting the tool will open the General Settings tab, which has the ability to save and load settings. The settings changed here, select all the panel wires within the project, and then limit the report to 80 rows per column to fit on a single sheet. Once the Place WRL button is selected, the tool waits for the cursor to click at the top of the report. It is possible to navigate sheets and the sheet structure to choose the destination sheet. When a WRL report is longer than the selected number of rows, it will be broken up into sections, and each section can be placed at the user's discretion. The finished WRL will contain the relevant routing information, as well as each wire's attributes.